Hello my dear, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be looking at this vowel here. Two vowels, it's a moving vowel, this one. We call this a diphthong, and it's A. A. So the starting point for this sound is E, the same vowel sound as red and head, E. We then pull the tongue up towards I, the same vowel as bit and hit. A. You need to be able to hear very clearly these two parts of this vowel. A. If you don't have moving vowels in your first language, it can be quite difficult to move the vowels as much as they need to be moved. A. So let's have a look at some of the ways that this sound is spelt. The most common way it's spelt is like this. This is what we call a split digraph. Children call this a magic E. So basically you have the letter A, you have a consonant, and then you have an E after it, and that creates this A, that shows this A sound. For example, name, make, face. We also spell this vowel sound AI. For example, rain, train, afraid. We spell it AY, like day, Monday, away. We spell it EI, like eight, or neighbour, or way. We spell it EY, like they, grey, obey. And finally, we also have this in some words that we have borrowed from different languages, like cafe and ballet. So make sure that you are practicing along, you're not just watching me. Very best of luck, and I will see you in the next video.